You are invited to Australia's first StoryBrand workshop. Now, what is StoryBrand? StoryBrand is a New York Times best-selling marketing framework designed to clarify your message and build marketing campaigns that work. In our 2 days together, we will be hand-holding you through all the tools for you to write conversion-driven web copy, create sales funnels, establish a 12-week content plan, know how to master ChatGPT, road test your video marketing, and so much more. For sure, you'll be drinking from a marketing fire hose for 2 full days, but after the workshop, I guarantee you will walk away with an executable marketing plan that you can implement right away. This is all happening in this beautiful Mercure Hotel in Melbourne with all the catering and accommodations taken care of so that you can give the workshop your full attention for 2 days. Furthermore, we believe that the best workshops are delivered in a small group setting. In fact, no more than 20 people in the room. That's why spots are extremely limited for our upcoming intakes. All you need to do right now is to click the button, put your name down on the waitlist, and one of our team will get in touch within 24 hours to organize a spot for you. Now, here's the thing. In marketing, if you confuse, you lose. Clarity is absolutely everything. I'm so confident that the StoryBrand framework in this 2-day workshop setting is going to unlock that clarity for you. And it's going to change everything in your marketing program. So join the waitlist now, and I can't wait to see you in this Australia's first StoryBrand workshop.